The Private Security Regulation Act of 2016 is the cornerstone of the legal framework governing the private security industry in Kenya. This act was established to regulate the private security industry, ensure the professionalism of security services, and protect the rights of security personnel and clients. The Act outlines the roles and responsibilities of security providers, sets standards for the training and conduct of security personnel, and establishes the Private Security Regulatory Authority, PSRA, to oversee the industry. The Private Security Regulatory Authority, PSRA, is a key institution established under the Private Security Regulation Act. Its primary function is to regulate and oversee the private security industry in Kenya. The PSRA is responsible for licensing security firms, setting industry standards, conducting inspections, and enforcing compliance with the law. It also handles complaints from the public and ensures that security providers operate within the legal framework. By regulating the industry, the PSRA aims to promote high standards of security services and protect the interests of both security personnel and clients. To legally operate in Kenya, private security firms must obtain a license from the PSRA. The licensing process involves meeting specific criteria, including demonstrating financial stability, employing qualified personnel, and adhering to the training standards set by the PSRA. Firms must also undergo regular audits and renew their licenses periodically. Accreditation is another key requirement, ensuring that firms meet the necessary standards of operation and professionalism. Operating without a valid license or accreditation can result in severe penalties, including fines, suspension, or closure of the business. Security personnel must meet specific training and certification requirements to be employed by a licensed security firm. The PSRA mandates that all security officers undergo a basic training course covering essential skills such as conflict management, emergency response, and legal knowledge. Advanced training may be required for specialized roles, such as armed security or cybersecurity. Certification is provided upon successful completion of the training, and it must be renewed periodically. The goal is to ensure that all security personnel are competent, professional, and capable of providing high-quality security services. Non-compliance with the legal framework governing private security in Kenya can have serious consequences. For security firms, this includes revocation of licenses, heavy fines, and legal action. For security personnel, non-compliance can lead to loss of certification, job termination, and possible legal prosecution. Moreover, non-compliance can damage the reputation of the security firm, leading to loss of clients and business opportunities. It is crucial for both security firms and personnel to understand and adhere to the legal requirements to avoid these negative outcomes. To illustrate the importance of legal compliance, let's examine some real-life case studies from the Kenyan private security industry. These examples highlight instances where firms either successfully adhered to the legal framework or failed to do so, resulting in significant consequences. These case studies provide valuable lessons on the importance of following the law and the risks associated with non-compliance. In conclusion, the legal framework governing private security in Kenya is designed to ensure the professionalism and effectiveness of the industry. Compliance with this framework is not just a legal obligation but also a critical factor in the success of security firms and personnel. Understanding and adhering to the legal requirements can help avoid penalties and ensure a positive reputation in the industry. Let's take some time now to discuss any questions you may have about the legal aspects of private security in Kenya.